Did the market really make a huge upswing from last year to this year? Hi, this is Nicole Majors with Beach Properties Real Estate Group, and I'm here today to bring you some real stats from last year, 2020 to date, and this year, 2020 to date, in 3 areas. I'm going to focus on Cape San Blas, which I'm going to look at North Cape and South Cape specifically, Port St. Joe, and I'm going to talk to you about the beaches, meaning Mexico Beach, St. Joe Beach, Windmark Beach. So let's just dive right in. So last year, Cape San Blas, so this is North Cape and South Cape, there was a total of 90 homes sold last year. The range for those homes was from $77,000 to $2.4 million. Last year in 2020, we were still dealing with storm damaged homes, so from Hurricane Michael. So you will see a little bit of that lower number be just a little lower. Then this year in 2021, so far we've sold 138 residential listings, with the range being from $273,000 to $3.2 million. That $3.2 million house was an extraordinary house sitting out on a Gulf front, about 115-foot Gulf frontage, fantastic home. Then moving on to Port St. Joe, in 2020, what we saw then was also a little bit of storm damaged homes. There was 107 sold in 2020, with the lowest sale being $37,000 and the highest is $1 million bayfront house. Then the next highest home, because that was like a really fantastic, with a lot of yard, a lot of land home, the next highest was $415,000. Then moving into 2021 to date, we have sold 109. So there's only 2 home sales difference. And the range there is from $29,000, again, a storm damaged home, to $769,000, which was a huge home here in Port St. Joe. So as you can see, those numbers relatively didn't change very much. Let's move over to the beaches and let's compare last year to this year. In the St. Joe Beach, Mexico Beach, Windmark Beach area, in 2020, the sold homes were 208. So we had 208 there. So that's where we saw a lot of sales. They ranged from $115,000 to $1,255,000. So that was a pretty good range. The $1,255,000 clearly was a Gulf front home as well. Now in 2021, there's been 232 homes sold in that area, ranging from $165,000 to $1,495,000. That $1,495,000 home was new construction. It's not even built yet. So that kind of gives you an idea of what has happened in the market. Yes, we have seen an increase. However, it hasn't been a huge increase. It's just that nice big increase across the board. Now, what's really cool is I looked at the sales of October. So in October alone, there was 11 sales on Cape San Blas. A couple of them were Gulf front, but there was only 11 just for the month of October. In Port St. Joe, there were 12. Interestingly, what I thought was cool is 3 of those were barefoot cottages, 3 were Arazo on Madison, 2 were Truland homes, and 2 were fixer-uppers. So we saw a lot of new construction selling in town of Port St. Joe. And then on the beaches, we saw 18 sales just for the month of October in Mexico Beach, St. Joe Beach, Windmark Beach area. So I hope you found this very interesting, maybe a little more helpful if you're just trying to decide what you want to do with your property. Is it the right time to buy? We are still seeing really good deals. And when I say deals, I mean that it's really in where the market's at. And we have homes that hit the market that are of the right price point. We are seeing some really good things happening. So if you're interested and you just want to ask more questions, I am here to help. You're welcome to call or text me at 850-247-8415. You can always email me, nicole@beachproperties.realtor. We'll talk soon.